Okay, now I'm gonna put right here. My phone right there. Okay, now I have to get this. Okay, this go right here. I sweat today. And then go right here. And I shoot it. First is this the valve. Yeah, it fell off. Sorry guys. Okay. One, two, three. Yes. Oh snap! Oops. It just fell off. Sorry. Oh yes. Yeah. Yeah, I did it, guys. Okay, now. Okay, now next it is here's the green. Here's the orange one. The orange gun. We're using this today. I'm gonna try to show it. Okay. Wait a minute. Need water. Okay. Okay, ready? Come on. No, dang it. Yes. I did it, guys. Yes. Wait, come on. I just put like this, like that. Okay, let's do this. Okay. Ready? Okay, 3, 2, 1. Nope, busted. No. Oh, dang it. Shoot. You fell down there, dang it. Fell down there, damn it. Yeah, I think fell on the couch and the floor. Maybe. Oh, I can get it. Hey, I got it, guys. Wow, you did it. Wow, forget it. I just make a new one, I guess. Ah, wait. Oh, oops. Sorry, guys. Okay, I got this. Okay, wait. Ah, okay, I got it, guys. Okay. Wait. I'll put my here. Okay. Alrighty, guys. Okay, let's do this. Oh snap! It got on my back. Yeah. Yes. I got it, guys. Now we're gonna use the odd. I think I used nothing. On the human. I can't see it. Hey, wait, you can't see it, guys? Look. Okay. Okay, that's better. Okay, that's better. I can put like this, guys, like this, and I hell, and I shoot it with this, with the He-Man, and yeah, with this. Oh shoot! Oops! How do I drop that? Come on, that's those. Like this. Now, if I was gonna shoot with this green, the revolver. Let's do this. Oh yes. Easy, easy, aha, easy, aha. Now we're going to bed. Yes, easy. Oh, sorry guys. Sorry. Okay, now and again. Part 2. That one away over there. The green. The orange. Oh, keep dropping it. Oh, like that. Okay, let's do this. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Nope. Oh, wow, give me it. But it fell over there. Oh, right here. Right here, my guys. The hell? What's this? Wait, hold up. Wait, guys. Sorry. Okay, I'm back. Ready, guys? Okay. Okay, I'm back. 3, 2, 1, and go. No, not doing that. So snap, but he fell on my couch, but he fell on my couch. Bye.
Are you kidding me? What on?
No.
Yeah, well, I can hear it. I thought it was upside. With the gun? What is it?
You shooting that right there?
Oh, okay.
Yeah, bye. Alright, leave it. It's me. I'm doing that. Oh, yes. Yes, easy. Ha! I got it. Now, wait, the He-Man. Wait. Oh. I try to put this. Try to put this back. Okay, that's better. Ah. Okay, that's better. Let's do this. You think, no, because of this. No. Yes. Yeah, easy, guys. Ha. Easy, guys. Not over. Game over. Next is gonna be the Volvo. Oops. That's better. Yes. Oh, dang it. Wow, I fell back. Okay, get right here. Oh, oops. Wow, push up. Okay. Again. Okay, let's do this. I should need a little gun. I did today. There you go. Right here. Yes. Yeah. Yeah, I got it, guys. Easy. Okay. The next would be this ball. Oh, the pedal. This pedal would be right here. But no. Oh, it fails. Okay. Now next will be this one. The orange one. I use a little pedal too. Oh, no more. Alright, wait. I'm making a beer right now. Right now, yeah. That's fine. Wait, hello. Okay. Okay, let's do this again. I gotta show you why. Oh, I can't. Because it fell on the floor. And yeah. Yeah, I did already. I try to shoot with a pedal that thing, but next time oh the bottle. This one, no. Okay. Yeah, guys, it's over. That's fine. I am. Okay. Okay, now it's over. Okay, bye guys. See you later.